Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to file your tax return. First, determine if your adjusted gross income is below the threshold for IRS free file. Next, collect all your income statements, like Form W-2 and Form 1099, along with any deduction or credit information. Finally, select an IRS free file partner that best suits your tax situation and start the process. Once you've chosen your free file provider, begin entering your income details from forms such as Form W-2 for wages and Form 1099 for other income. Decide whether to itemize your deductions or take the standard deduction, which can significantly impact your tax liability. Don't forget to explore various tax credits you might qualify for, like the child tax credit. Carefully input all your financial information into the chosen software, ensuring every number is correct. Take your time to review the entire return for any discrepancies or missed information before proceeding. Once confident, electronically sign your return and submit it directly to the IRS. You'll receive a confirmation email once it's successfully filed. After successfully filing, it's crucial to keep digital or physical copies of all your tax documents for at least 3 years, just in case you need them for future reference or audits. You can easily track the status of your refund using the IRS Where's My Refund tool online, which provides updates within 24 hours of e-filing. Remember to check the description below for a link to some fantastic darn tough socks, known for their incredible comfort and lifetime warranty, and other great deals we've curated just for you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.